Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to see the continuation of exercise 2.2. The topic is fractions. So exercise 2.2, third one, divide. Okay. 4 by 9 divide 1 by 4. While dividing the rational numbers, we need to follow two steps. The first one is we have to take the reciprocal of the divisor, then we multiply with the dividend. What we have to do, children? We have to take the reciprocal of the divisor, then we multiply with the dividend. Okay, children. See here, in this question, 1 by 4 is the divisor. First, you take the reciprocal. Okay. So, the reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4. Okay. 1 by 4 is 4 by 1 we will write. So, 4 by 1 means 4 only. Okay. Directly you can write. The reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4. Okay. Now, what we are going to do? Then this reciprocal value we are going to multiply with the dividend. Here dividend is 4 by 9. So 4 by 9 into the reciprocal value 4. Okay. So now see here the numerator 4 into 4, denominator 9 is there. There is no possibilities to cancel this number because there is no common factor except 1. So in this situation you multiply the numerators with the numerator. Okay. So 4 4s are 16 by 9. Okay. Now you convert into mixed fractions. 16 divided by 9. Okay. So 9 ones are 9. 16 minus 9 you get 7. Okay. So what is the answer, children? Quotient is 1. Remainder is 7. Divisor is 9. So what is the answer? Answer is 1 into 7 by 9. You understand, children? See the next question. 4 into 1 by 2 divide 2 by 3. Okay. In this question, 4 into 1 by 2, it is in the form of mixed fraction. First, you convert into improper fraction. Okay, children. So, 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 by 2 divide 2 by 3. Now we are going to divide these two rational numbers. Okay. First we have to take the reciprocal of the divisor. Here 2 by 3 is the divisor. So the reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Okay. Now you multiply with this with dividend. Okay. So 9 by 2 into the division we are going to change multiplication. Once we change it means we have to write the reciprocal of the divisor. So the reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Okay. You check here 9 by 2 there is no common factor except 1. Even 3 by 2 also there is no common factor. When crossly you check it, there is no common factor except 1. So in this situation, what do you want to do? You have to multiply numerator with the numerator, multiply denominator with the denominator. So 9 3s are 27, divide by 2 2s are 4. Now you divide this to convert into mixed fraction. So 4, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24. And 7 4s are 28 is greater than this number. So you choose 7 times. You choose 6 times. 6 times. Because 7 times if you take means it's greater than this number. So you choose 6 times. 6 4s are 24. Now you subtract this. 27 minus 24 you get 3. Now quotient is 6, remainder is 3, divisor is 4. What is the answer, children? 6 into 3 by 4. Do you understand, children? Okay, children. See the next question. 5 into 1 by 2 divide 2 into 3 by 5. Here both the numbers are in the form of mixed fraction. So first you convert into improper fractions. Okay. So 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11 by 2 divide 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 by 5. Now we have to take reciprocal of the divisor. Here which is the divisor, children? 13 by 5. So the reciprocal of 13 by 5 is 5 by 13. Okay. Now you multiply with the dividend. Here dividend is 11 by 2 into 5 by 13. So there is no common factor except 1. So in this situation, what you want to do? You have to multiply numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. So 11 5s are 55, divide by 2 into 13, you get 26. Okay. Now you divide this 55 divide by 26. Okay. So 2 times 2 6 are 12, remaining 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So now you subtract what you will get 3. So what is the answer, children? So the answer is quotient is 2, remainder is 3, divisor is 26. So 2 into 3 by 26. Do you understand, children? I repeat this. Here the question in the form of mixed fraction. So first you convert into improper fraction. 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 by 2 divide 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3, 13. 13 by 5. Okay, children. Now we have to take the reciprocal of the divisor. Here, which is the divisor, children? 13 by 5. Okay. So the reciprocal of 13 by 5 is 5 by 13. Okay. Next we have to multiply with the dividend. Here 11 by 2 is the dividend. So 11 by 2 into 5 by 13. Okay. So now there is no common factors except 1. So in this situation, you directly multiply numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. So 11 5s are 55, 2 into 13, 26. Okay. Now you divide this 55 divided by 26. 2 times it occurs. So 2 into 26 you get 52. After subtracting what you are getting? 3. Okay. Now the quotient is 2, remainder is 3, divisor is 26. So 2 into 3 by 26. Do you understand, children? Let's move on to the next question. See the fourth one. So division, instead of the symbol they given the word. Okay. 18 by 6 by 7. So what is the first step, children? You have to take the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 6 by 7 is 7 by 6. Okay. Now we are going to divide 18 by 6 by 7. So 18 by we are going to replace into 7 by 6. Now see here 7 by 6 there is no common factor except 1. Okay. But see here 18 6 there is a common factor 6. So 6 ones are 6. 6 3s are 18. Now you multiply the numerator 3 into 7. 3 7s are 21. See the denominator 1. 21 by, so 3 7s are 21. 21 by 1, what you will get, children? 21 only. Okay. So now what is the answer? 21. Any number divided by 1, you get the same number. Okay, children. So what is the answer? 21. Okay. See the next question here. 7 into 2 by 5 by 37. Here it is in the form of mixed fraction. So you have to convert into improper fraction. Okay. So 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2, 37 by 5 by 37. So in this case, what you want to do? You have to take the reciprocal of the divisor. Here 37 is the divisor. So the reciprocal of 37 is 37 means 37 by 1. So the reciprocal of 37 by 1 is 1 by 37. Okay children. Now you divide this children. 37 by 5 into 1 by 37. Now cancel this. 37 ones are 37. 37 ones are 37. Now in the numerator place 1 into 1 you get 1. 5 ones are 5. So what is the answer children? 1 by 5. Do you understand children? Let's move on to the next question. See the next question. 7 into 3 by 5 by 1 into 9 by 10. Okay. So first you convert into improper fraction children. 5 sevens are 35. 35 plus 3. 38 by 5 by 10 ones are 10. 10 plus 9. 19 by 10. Okay. First you take the reciprocal of the divisor. Here divisor is 19 by 10. Okay. So which means which is equal to 38 by 5 divide 19 by 10. Okay. The by replaced by division. Okay. So now you take the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 19 by 10 is 10 by 19. Reciprocal means interchange the numerator and the denominator place. Okay children. Now you multiply with the dividend children. The dividend is 38 by 5 into 10 by 19. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. Now see the numerator. 2 into 2, 4. Denominator 1 into 1, 1. So 4 by 1, what you will get children? 4 only. So what is the answer children? 4. Do you understand children? Do you have any doubt in this? Shall I move on to the next question children? See the next question. "54 liters of milk. 54 liters of milk were distributed in a village. If each family was given 2 into 1 by 4 liters of milk, how many families received the milk? Okay. So here capacity of milk is given. Okay. Then capacity of milk received from the each family is given. We need to find out number of families. Okay, we need to find out number of families. Okay, children. So write the solution. First, capacity of milk equal to capacity of milk equal to 54 liters. The total quantity is 54 liters. Okay. Next, capacity of milk received from each family equal to 2 into 1 by 4 liters. Convert into improper fractions. 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 by 4 liters. Next we need to find out number of families. So number of families equal to number of families equal to, so total quantity, it means total capacity 44 divided by capacity of milk received from each family, so 9 by 4. Okay, now we are going to divide this 4. Okay, so 54 divided by 9 by 4. First you take the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of, because we are going to divide this. Okay, so the reciprocal of 9 by 4 is 4 by 9. Okay, so 54 into, this one you write it in the rougher place, rougher column. Okay, so 54 into 4 by 9. Okay, now 9 ones are 9, 9 6 are 54. Now see the numerator, 6 into 4, 6 4s are 24. Divided by 1, what you will get, children? 24. Okay, so number of families equal to 24. What is the answer? Number of families equal to number of families equal to 24. You understand, children? Here capacity of milk is given. So capacity of milk equal to 54. Okay, and capacity of milk received from each family equal to 2 into 1 by 4 liters. You convert into improper fraction. So 9 by 4 liters. We need to find out number of families. So we have to divide. So 54 divided by 9 by 4. If you want to divide this, we have to take the reciprocal of the divisor. Then we need to multiply with the dividend. The reciprocal of 9 by 4 is 4 by 9. So 54 into 4 by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 6 are 54. Now 6 fours are 24. So number of families equal to 24. Okay, children, you understand this? See the next question. So here, if 192 liters of oil, 192 liters of oil is packed in 12 tins, okay, of equal size. Okay, so what is the quantity of oil packed in each tin? Okay, here the quantity of oil is given, the number of tin is given. We need to find out quantity of oil packed in each tin. Okay. So total quantity of oil equal to total quantity of oil equal to 192 liters. Okay. Next, number of tins equal to 12. So we need to find out quantity of oil packed in each tin. Quantity of oil packed in each tin equal to, what do you want to do, children? We have to divide 192 divide 12. So if you want to divide this, what do you want to do, children? You have to take the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, children. Now 192, you are going to change the symbol into, if you want to change means you have to take the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 12 is 1 by 12. 12 means 12 by 1. So the reciprocal of 12 by 1 is 1 by 12. Okay, children. Now, 12 ones are 12. Okay. See here, how many times it occurs, children? 16 12s are 192. Suppose you doesn't know means you can do step by step. I will do that also. Okay. See here. Suppose directly you doesn't know means we can do like this. 192 by 12. Okay. So first you divide by 2 tables. 6 2s are 12. 9 2s are 18. Remaining 1 12. 6 2s are 12. Okay. Now you divide by 6 tables. 6 1s are 6. Here 6 1s are 6. Remaining 3 36. 6 6 are 36. Now how much you got it? 16. So if we know directly 12 tables, you cancel directly, or else you cancel the numbers step by step. Which numbers, which table you know very well, using that table you do it. Because this 12 is divisible by 2 table, or else 4 table, or else 6 you can divide. Okay, you have to see both numerator and denominator. You have to decide which number, which is the common factor, you take it and divide this. Step by step you do this. Okay, if you know 2 table, directly you can cancel it. So what you are getting, children? 16 liters. Okay. So quantity of oil. So we have to use the unit liters. So quantity of oil packed in each tin equal to 16 liters. So what is the answer? Quantity of oil packed in each tin equal to 16 liters. Okay, children, do you understand this? I repeat this. So total quantity of oil equal to 192 liters. Number of tins equal to 12. So we need to find out quantity of oil packed in each tin equal to 192 divided by 12. Okay. So you first take the reciprocal of the 12. Reciprocal of 12 is 1 by 12. Okay. So 192 into 1 by 12. 12 ones are 12. 16 12s are 192. Okay. So what is the answer? Quantity of oil packed in each tin equal to 60 liters. Okay, children. Thank you.